Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best ping pong rackets for 2025 to elevate your game to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, we've got you covered with expert recommendations and insights on top-performing paddles. Get ready to smash, spin, and win. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and where to buy. Let's get started. Number 6. The SPIN Ping Pong Paddles 2-pack are an excellent choice for players looking to enhance their table tennis experience. Built with a 7-ply blade featuring 5 layers of premium wood and 2 layers of carbon fiber, these paddles deliver exceptional power, control, and precision. The larger sweet spot enhances shot accuracy, making it ideal for both beginners and advanced players. The ergonomic shake-hand grip and inner carbon tube reduce vibrations, ensuring comfortable and stable play. The 2.0mm sponge adds optimal spin and control, perfect for both offensive and defensive shots. Whether you're practicing with a robot or playing casual matches, these paddles provide a balanced feel and superior performance. The lightweight, 6.5 ounces design further complements controlled gameplay, making it suitable for all skill levels. The included protective case and durable construction showcase the care in packaging, adding excellent value for the price. Backed by the SPIN 100% happiness guarantee, this set is risk-free and highly recommended for players seeking quality and reliability. Whether for practice or fun matches, these paddles won't disappoint. Number 5. The SPIN Ping Pong Paddles set is a fantastic all-in-one solution for table tennis enthusiasts of all skill levels. This set includes 4 well-crafted paddles, 8 high-quality balls, and a durable storage case, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor games for 2 to 4 players. Each paddle features a 7-layer poplar wood construction combined with a soft, elastic sponge and durable inverted 1.5mm rubber. This design ensures impressive ball control, spin, and stability during play. The advanced sidebands protect the edges from wear, enhancing paddle longevity. The flared ergonomic handle offers a comfortable and secure grip, allowing players to enjoy long matches without discomfort. The thoughtful addition of a protective storage case keeps the set organized and protected from dust and damage, making it easy to carry and store. Players will also appreciate the smooth surface design and quality craftsmanship of the paddles. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced player, this set delivers a well-rounded experience. The SPIN Ping Pong set is a versatile and reliable choice, perfect for anyone seeking to elevate their game and enjoy hours of fun. Number 4. The WinLook Ping Pong Paddle Set is an excellent choice for both beginners and advanced players seeking a high-quality, durable, and versatile table tennis kit. This set includes 4 premium paddles, 8 3-star ITTF-approved balls, and a convenient carrying case for easy storage and travel. Crafted from 5-layer crack-resistant wood, the paddles are built for longevity. The flared ergonomic handles ensure a comfortable and secure grip, allowing for extended gameplay without discomfort. The medium soft sponge layer delivers a responsive bounce, enhancing control and spin for precision shots. Whether you're practicing finesse or competing with friends, these paddles offer superior performance. The ping pong balls are designed with durable ABS material, maintaining consistent bounce and quality over extended use. The set's lightweight carry case keeps your gear clean, organized, and protected, perfect for on-the-go matches or neat storage. Whether playing poolside, at a picnic, or in your game room, this set guarantees hours of fun. With sturdy construction and professional-grade components, WinLook delivers great value and performance for players of all levels. Highly recommended for family gatherings or competitive games. Number 3. The STIGA Performance Table Tennis Set is an excellent choice for players looking to improve their skills and enjoy competitive matches. This USATT-approved set includes 4 well-crafted rackets and 6 3-star ITTF regulation balls in orange and white, perfect for both casual and serious gameplay. The paddles are designed with a 5-ply wood blade, 1.5mm sponge, and premium inverted rubber to enhance ball control and spin. The flared handles provide a comfortable grip, making extended play sessions enjoyable and easy on the hands. With performance ratings of Speed 38, Spin 39, and Control 53, these paddles strike a balance between precision and versatility, ideal for developing players. The included balls are regulation size, 40mm, and crafted for consistent bounce and durability. STIGA's long-standing reputation since 1944 as a leader in table tennis equipment ensures you're getting a high-quality product. Whether you're an amateur player honing your skills or looking for a well-rounded set for family matches, this kit delivers reliable performance. Durable, thoughtfully designed, and fun to use, the STIGA Performance set is a solid investment for any table tennis enthusiast. Number 2. The Pro SPIN Ping Pong Paddle set is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to elevate their table tennis experience. This comprehensive set includes 4 high-performance paddles, 3-star training balls, and a compact storage case, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor play. Each paddle features a 1.8mm sponge for enhanced control and spin, providing players with precision and versatility during matches. The handles are triple sanded, offering a smooth and ergonomic grip for ultimate comfort and improved performance. The paddles feel like a natural extension of your arm, allowing you to focus on your game without distractions. The 3-star training balls are durable and built to withstand intense play, making them ideal for practice and competitive matches alike. The set's compact case ensures your equipment stays organized and protected for easy storage and travel. Whether you're a beginner, casual player, or aspiring pro, this set delivers exceptional value and performance. Backed by ProSpin's 100% happiness guarantee, you can purchase with confidence. Durable, well-crafted, and designed for players of all levels, this set brings excitement and skill to every game. Number 1. The Pro SPIN Ping Pong Paddles set is an exceptional choice for players of all levels who want to improve their game. The paddles feature a high-quality 7-ply blade combining 5 layers of premium wood and 2 layers of carbon fiber, ensuring superior power, control, and precision. This construction delivers a larger sweet spot for more accurate shots, perfect for players looking to enhance their skills. The 2.0mm sponge provides optimal spin and control, making it easy to execute advanced shots while maintaining strong defensive plays. The ergonomic carbon handle reduces vibration and enhances comfort, allowing for hours of play without discomfort or strain. Whether you're practicing with a table tennis robot or engaging in friendly matches, these paddles offer exceptional performance. The included protective case keeps your paddles safe from damage, ensuring they stay in top condition for longer. With a 100% happiness guarantee, ProSpin ensures that you're completely satisfied with your purchase. This set strikes the perfect balance between quality and affordability, making it an excellent choice for anyone serious about improving their table tennis game. Highly recommended for both beginners and experienced players alike. Thanks for watching our guide on the best ping pong rackets for 2025. We hope you found the perfect paddle to elevate your game. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future reviews and tips. For more details, check out the links in the description below. Stay tuned and keep playing your best ping pong.